This is shower of abundance and wealth. Let's take a deep breath. And imagine yourself relaxing your body. Relax your body from the top of your head. Imagine your scalp is relaxing. Imagine your temples relaxing. Your face relaxing. Your mouth relaxing. Your jaw. Imagine your neck. Take a deep breath, deep into your belly. Let go of all thoughts and worries and concerns. And go deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Now imagine you are relaxing your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your fingers. Imagine you're relaxing your chest. All the organs inside your torso. Moving down to the belly. Moving down to the hips. Moving down to the thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet. Imagine from the bottom of your feet growing roots. Imagine growing roots from the bottom of your feet, going into the crust of the earth and shooting down to the core of the earth. Shooting down to the core of the earth, bathing in the core of the earth where golden amber light resides. And imagine that we bring our consciousness all the way down to the core of the earth. And imagine that you're standing in this bright light that is shiny and shimmery with gold and amber. Breathing that golden amber light. Feeling your body relaxing and going deeper. As you let go of all thoughts. And imagine that the golden amber light is sitting on top of your skin and you're looking at it. It looks very pretty. It looks very healthy. And the surface of your skin is absorbing it. And it's entering the bloodstream. And it's adding its life force energy to the bloodstream. And you take a moment breathing this energy in, filling your lungs with it, filling your heart with it, filling all your organs with it. Letting the DNA of every cell, the RNA of every cell and molecule, absorb it and digest it and receive healing from it. Imagine closing your eyes and being in this energy as if you have walked into a cloud of golden amber light. And the cloud is sitting on top of your skin, and you're breathing it into your lungs. And you're tasting it through your taste buds. And you're seeing its healing rays absorbed through your eyes, through your skin. Imagine when you open your eyes and your eyes get accustomed to this golden amber light which is emanating everywhere, that you see yourself in a magic forest. The trees have very interesting shapes, and the surface of the bark has that shiny, shimmery, golden, amber light on the surface. And then the branches and the leaves are different shapes and different colors and hues of green. And you look down at your feet and you see green grass. And the grass has a vibrant life force energy permeating. This green color not just emanating from the grass, but wafting as if it's a dense cloud of green that rises up to 6 inches above the grass. You can hardly see your feet because this green light is so vibrant, and it comes up above your ankles. And if you bend down, you can actually pick some of it and hold it in your hand and look at it. And you'll notice that it starts dissolving into the palm of your hand. And you can do it again, this time with both hands. And this beautiful green, it's a vibrant emerald green light. And when it gets absorbed into the palms of your hands, it feels good, it feels nurturing. It feels familiar. And this time, take another fistful with both hands and rub it on your face. Rub it on your neck. Rub it on your upper chest. And then imagine that you rub it on the front of your body. And as far as you can reach on the back of your body, back of your shoulders, your neck. And then again a couple of fistfuls and rub it on your belly, your mid-back, your lower back, your hips, all the way down to your tailbone, and then down your thighs, taking fistfuls and rubbing it on your body. The abundance that the earth has to offer, the healing that the earth has to offer, has become a liquid light, and it is emanating from the grass beneath your feet.